Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see ano yung parating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see, money, career, finances, perseverance, ayan. So, meron kang ipagpapatuloy, meron kang bibigyan ng focus ngayong September in your career, your finances, and then also, bonds. So, pwedeng mag-open ka ng mga bonds or ang tawag doon, may investment sa mga bonds. Oo, for some of you. Mga mutual funds or kung ano pa, government bonds. Di ba may ganon? So, anything about investments. Kumbaga, ang perseverance is pagpupunyagi, di ba? Oo. Kahit may mga challenges, nagpapatuloy ka pa rin. Napaka-importante ng number 2 sa inyo, no? 2020-2022. And then, may new beginnings. Wow. So, new beginnings sa inyong career, finances, business, any opportunities right now. So, you are open to new experiences. Okay, next, overall energy, the 5 of Swords. Merong conflict. Pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng competition. Competition with someone, or maaring mas nagiging competitive ka ngayon. Mas nagiging palaban ka. Pagdating sa trabaho, career mo, or business mo, you are open to any challenges actually. Oo. You also have the Hangman as your challenge. So, ito yung pag-iisip ng mga bagay na pwede mong gawin in a different way. So, kumbaga, ibang-iba yung perspective mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa business, sa finances mo, yung strategies mo. Maaring meron kang mga iiwasan na mga tao or sitwasyon na alam mong hindi na yan nag-a-align sa iyong mga goals. Oo, kaya iwas ka na sa mga connections that are no longer serving you. Pwedeng magka-cut off ka rin ng connection na sa tingin mo are not really helpful para sa pag-unlad mo. Now, your opportunity is the Knight of Cups. Maaring meron kang marireceive na offer. Can be an offer of a new job or a new career. Something na magugustuhan mo, something that is very close to you. So, kumbaga, halimbawa, mahilig ka sa arts, tapos, ang business opportunity mo ay related sa creation ng arts, or ang i-offer sa'yo na trabaho ay related sa arts, sa creation ng arts, kung ano man yung talento mo or skill mo. So, definitely, that is something na you will really focus on dahil it is going to bring you excitement. Excited ka kasi gusto mo yun, di ba? Now, your blessing is balance, justice. So, ito yung pagkakaroon ng maayos na oras, panahon sa trabaho mo, sa personal mong buhay. Siyempre, hindi lang naman tayo dapat puro trabaho ng trabaho. Kailangan din may pahinga, no? Sometimes kasi mga Scorpio nag-o-obsess sa isang career or trabaho to the point na hindi na nila naalagaan yung sarili nila. So, this time, you will be blessed with that harmony, no? Ng harmony sa yung career, trabaho, or business ngayong September na kahit may challenge, you will be able to overcome. Mababalance mo lahat ng issues na yan. Okay? And then you have, maaring meron kang makakasama, may collaboration, or maaring bubuo ka ng isang team wherein ikaw yung magiging leader. Puro balancing rin to. Taking chances. So, you are going to take a leap of faith. So, maaaring meron kang project that you want to pursue, you want to try. And also, pagdating sa decision making, very on point ang iyong instinct, yung intuition mo. Maaaring you're also into different forms of divination. Emergency fund. So, isa rin to sa bibigyan mo ng focus, yung meron kang emergency fund. Magaling mag-ipon ng mga Scorpio. Magaling sila sa pera. Oo. And then, yeah, speaking of pera, saving strategies. You will develop a habit of saving. Magsiset aside ka. Magiging mas seryoso ka na sa finances mo. Lalo na't meron ka mga siniset na bagong goals na gusto mong ma-achieve. Choose to follow the path of forgiveness and raise your vibration. Maaring in the past, meron kang mga bad decisions, no? Nagkaroon ka ng mga mistakes pagdating sa business, trabaho, finances mo. But this time, you are forgiving yourself para makarecover, no? Charge to experience. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. Yes. So, ibig sabihin nito, marami kang mga kakayanan, abilities na pwede mong magamit para mas mapaunlad mo yung iyong career and your iyong finances. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.